how's it going, guys? Welcome back. We're finally gonna be digging into the Subaru today. We actually already got some of the parts for the front end, so we're gonna probably start today and start taking the whole front end off. You guys can see I already brought the car in, so we're gonna start doing that today. So it's just gonna be a quick time lapse of me taking apart the whole front end. I know there's other videos out there in YouTube just showing how to take it off and exactly what you guys need in bolts, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do just a quick time lapse of me taking apart the whole front end. We just don't have a lot of time. I have somebody else waiting because I'm actually selling this front end to somebody else. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and put it in now. Also, you guys can see I actually started fixing the garage out. I installed those lights. We have actually some really nice lights coming in pretty soon. I'll leave that for another video, but you guys can see they're still white up there. I've already started painting the roofs black. I installed a TV. You guys remember I had a big like BMW poster right there. I painted the cabinets out of that one, the roof. Yeah, I gotta order another cabinet for all that stuff, but so I can put away all that. So yeah, it's starting to look like the garage I wanted. There it is, guys. How to remove a bug eye front end, fenders, hood, bumpers, everything. So I'm waiting for the seller to come pick this up, and I should be slapping in the new front end.